We've got hedgehogs and guinea pigs aplenty. We have axolotls and ducks galore. You like red pandas? We've got 20. But we want more. We wanna be where the long dragons are. We wanna be where they're big and stomping. We wanna be. But what's that? We've got narwhals with ice creams on the top of their heads. They look really pretty and they look awesome. We also have tigers, not just in white. We have them in orange. And we have raccoons. We have even got a couple of bats. Where would you want to be? With beastie builds on some of their lives. They go live Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. We also have magnets and some key rings. Do you want to see our ferrets and maybe our rats? We have polar bears and we have warthogs. We also have some snakes and a otter. Come and see us on our lives with beastie builds.